all of you doing great. Well, this video we are going to talk about this Stacks or STX crypto. And in fact, this crypto is even one of the 6 picks of Teeka Tiwari's final halving coins. And that is the reason we will even discover what are the facts related with this particular crypto, what kind of problem it is solving, what kind of solution it is giving in the blockchain world, as well as the current market capitalization and the future price prediction. So please make sure, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances to the hill. That's what this goal of this channel is, to provide our viewers financial freedom. So let's jump onto the analysis of this crypto Stacks. And as this Stacks is a blockchain based decentralized internet platform that allows users to completely own and control their personal data. And this is one of the features of this particular blockchain. Like the users, let's say I have on the internet a set of information I want to provide. Now Stacks will be the decentralized thing that is going to control, that is going to only let the information that we want to give, and that will give directly to the place where we want to give. It would not need the third party app. For example, let's say the Facebook is asking for some of the information, right? Because we want to use some of the apps. So we are not sure what kind of data Facebook is actually taking from us. Like we just allow it and we do not even know, or probably any other platform. But Stacks is going to ensure that it is the highly secured information and only the information that we want to go out there at the third party app will be gone at that time. Now this is one of the functionality of Stacks. The second functionality of the Stacks is basically building the smart contracts on the Bitcoin. You might have heard smart contracts being built onto the Ethereum, the smart contracts being built onto this Solana, and then even it was launched onto the Cardano. This one, Stacks, enables the smart contract on the Bitcoin without even modifying much of the Bitcoin. That is why it is considered to be one of the valuable currency. Now one more thing, one more medal that this particular coin, this particular blockchain has in its bag is it became the first company to basically receive the approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission to sell the digital tokens known as Stacks in an initial coin offering in 2019. You might have already heard, if you are into the crypto, knowing about the crypto, you might have heard not a very good reputation of SEC when it comes to the crypto, right? I mean, it already sued Ripple and the XRP coin, and then the case is ongoing that it drove the price really down. But this Stacks was the first crypto that was actually approved, got the approval from the SEC to sell the digital tokens known as STX with the initial coin offering. So that means it already has the clearance in the future if more suing happens by SEC or anything related with the regulation, that definitely Stacks already has cleared the flag. As you can see, as I already told you, it enables the smart contract onto the Bitcoin. Basically, it implements the POX consensus and natively connects to the Bitcoin. So with POX, there is no need to modify the Bitcoin to enable the smart contracts around it. So basically, this is serving as one of the scalability solution of the Bitcoin, which is not very much a thing heard of. So that is the reason it has in itself a great value, and that is the reason people are actually looking up for it apart from the other genre of the coins. Now this is also one of the picks of the Teeka Tiwari for the final halving. What is final halving, by the way, guys? If you have already been following up my videos, again guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do ensure that hit your subscribe button, because even we'll be covering the future videos, the picks like these, and then obviously the technical analysis. So as per Teeka Tiwari, the final halving is going to happen in 2022 or very nearby. Why? Because as per the halving, the number of bitcoins that is issued to the miners is halved every 4 years. But the miners are desperate to sell their bitcoin because they do not have the funds for the mining. And for the first time in the history of the cryptocurrency, the miners are being funded by the big institutions. Now, when the miners are funded by the big institutions, they no longer need to sell their bitcoins that they mine, because obviously the bitcoin anyways is one of the great store of the value. And by this year, approximately the amount of funds that is given to those miners will exceed the amount that is required by the miner. That means no longer any of the miners will need to sell their bitcoin. That means no longer the effect of halving, whether the number of coins issued is 100 or 1,000, because there is no longer any more selling. That means this will become the final halving for the bitcoin when this particular thing happens. That will cause a huge amount of surge in the price of bitcoin, and then the little coins associated with the bitcoin and the entire crypto market is going to see a mega boom. And Stacks or STX was one of the coin picked by Teeka Tiwari that this is also going to see one of the mega boom. Now, as per the price, at the start of the year of 2021, the price was 45 cents. At the start of the year of 2022, like 1 year down the line, it is $2.3. The current market capitalization is approximately $3 billion. Personally, I feel very securely at the height of it, like we can even get like 10x from here as a very secure speculation. And if like the entire crypto asset moves, like sees a big jump, as it is bound to happen in the future, it can go far higher. But more than anything, like the best analysis for any of the coins or any of the investments should be based on what are the fundamentals, what kind of solution it is delivering out there in the world. So this is one of the coin that is actually providing the smart contract development onto the Bitcoin, the king of all the coins. So definitely it has one of the great potential and the huge potential, apart from the security, as well as one of the first approved ICO offering, the coin offering STX from the SEC. So these fundamentals make STX very strong, guys. Again, guys, I hope that you found the information valuable, concise, and helpful. If you did, again, do ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about like how do we grow your finances, whether it is through investment. These days, very much we are covering the crypto. In the future, we'll be covering the metaverse. That's where the puck will be. Comment down below for the best takeaway from this video. What do you think of this particular coin, or any other video, any other coin you would want me to cover in the future? And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.